Well, to this beginner-friendly tutorial on basic photo editing in Adobe Photoshop and Camera Raw on
Been so long, I've been looking for love.
In this video, you will learn how to improve your photos using simple adjustments like exposure, contrast, color correction, sharpening, and skin retouching. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to take a dull photo and turn it into a clean, professional-looking image. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, then click Open, and select the image you want to edit. If your image is a RAW file, Photoshop will automatically open it inside Camera Raw. If it is a JPEG or PNG image, right-click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. This allows you to use the same powerful Camera Raw tools on any image. Inside Camera Raw, start with the basic panel. The first adjustment is exposure. Increase the exposure slider if the image is too dark. Reduce it if the image is too bright. Next, adjust contrast. Increasing contrast makes the dark areas darker and the bright areas brighter. Now move to highlights and shadows. Reduce highlights if the bright parts of the image are too strong. Increase shadows to bring out details in darker areas. Then adjust whites and blacks. Whites affect the brightest parts of the image, while blacks affect the darkest areas. The goal is to create a balanced image with enough detail in both light and dark areas. Now let's correct the colors. Sometimes a photo may look too yellow, too blue, or too dull. Use the temperature slider to make the image warmer or cooler. Move it to the right for a warmer tone and to the left for a cooler tone. Then use the tint slider to remove too much green or magenta. If the colors still look weak, increase the vibrance slightly. Vibrance boosts the softer colors without affecting skin tones too much. You can also increase saturation, but use it carefully because too much saturation can make the image look unnatural. Now let's improve the composition. Select the crop tool. You can crop out unwanted parts of the image and focus attention on the main subject. If the image is tilted, use the straighten tool and drag along a line that should be level, such as a horizon or a building. A straight image always looks cleaner and more professional. If your photo has unwanted spots, pimples, dust, or small distractions, use the spot removal tool in Camera Raw. Click on the unwanted area and Photoshop will replace it with a cleaner part of the image. For more detailed retouching, click OK to return to Photoshop. Then select the Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbar. Zoom in and gently paint over blemishes or distractions. Keep the editing subtle. The goal is to improve the image without making it look fake. Back in Photoshop, use adjustment layers for final corrections. Click the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. You can add brightness and contrast, curves, or hue and saturation. Curves is especially useful because it gives you more control over the brightness and contrast of the image. If you want the subject to stand out more, you can slightly darken the background or brighten the face. Always work on separate layers so you can make changes without damaging the original photo. Once you are happy with the edit, save your work. Go to File, then Save As. Save one version as a Photoshop file so you can edit it again later. Then export another version as a JPEG or PNG for sharing on social media, websites, or printing. For the best quality, choose a high-resolution setting. And that is how to do basic photo editing using Photoshop and Camera Raw. With just a few simple adjustments, you can make your photos brighter, sharper, cleaner, and more professional. Keep practicing with different images and over time, your editing skills will improve. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Photoshop and graphic design tutorials.
Been so long, I've been looking for love, but love was gone. It left me broken. Now it feels like I'm about to lose mine, looking for a love, and there's broken pieces. Now that love don't live here anymore. What the hell am I looking for? I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love. I have been looking for so long. I need someone to hold me strong. Fix my heart in this broken piece. That kind of love where they make me crazy, but now that love don't live here anymore. What the hell are you looking for? I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love. Are you looking for? I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love, response. I am looking for love. Response.